Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can add zkSync network to MetaMask extension. So first of all, you can come over to this article. I will provide the link of this article in the description of the video, so you can read about the EVM powered network. Before that, I want to show you my project that I created on blockchain using Polygon Mumbai testnet. So this is an NFT marketplace. If you need the source code, you can let me know and you can watch this video to see the overview of the marketplace. So let's come back to the video. So here is the step-by-step guide to add the network to MetaMask. So first of all, you will have to set up the MetaMask wallet. Like, you should have a wallet logged in your MetaMask. So I suppose you already have a wallet, because if you are adding a network, you should have a network. So once that is done, you will have to go to chain list, and then you will have to select the desired network, and then you can add the network to MetaMask. So to start that, you will click on this button, and here you can search for the network that you want to add to MetaMask. So for example, in this case, we want to add zkSync. So here we have two type of network, main network and test network. So if you want to do the real transactions, then you can choose the main network. But if you want to test your smart contract, and if you just want to test your project, then you can choose zkSync era test network. So you will just have to click on add to MetaMask to add it to the MetaMask. You can select any of them and you can just click on add to MetaMask, and once you click, you will have to approve it and switch network. Now when you will open it, you will be able to see zkSync main network, and you can also add the test network. By the way, I already added the test network, so you can add any of them in the same way. And when you will add the network, you will see the Ethereum main network and the zk testnet or mainnet, whichever you will add, and you will not see any other, but you can always add the other ones as well. And now you will be able to do the transactions. Like, when you will do the transaction, it will pick your account and it will do the transaction. So thank you for watching this video, and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Don't forget to comment down and let me know if you have any other question. Thank you. See you next time.